Welcome to my video regarding the assignment 44622. This assignment we divided into two major tasks. The first is that to randomly create the 10 letter string from the ACTG. Second is that we need to compare it with a single thread and a multiple thread. So first, let me run the code and see what the output looks like. So you can see, yeah, so after I run it, you can see it will show that the single thread, it takes like 4 seconds to finish it, and the multiple thread, it takes 1 second to finish it. Okay, so let me start to go through the details of my code here. So for the first step, I create a class called Geno class, which is implies the roundable, and then we define the string ACTG, and then we initiate a function. So it is called seq single thread with total printout and Geno length. So first is that how many strings you want me to print. The second is that how long of the string you want to create. Then we do the string builder and the for loop to make this string happen. And then we print it out, so it will showing all the strings here. And at last, we need to set the length to 0. Okay. And second stuff is that we're trying to do the single thread and the multiple thread. So first, I create an object to inherit from the Geno that called task. So Geno task equals to new Geno, and then I create 3 threads to separate for this task. To do the same task, so I do thread A, B, C. If you want to do 4 or 5, just add more threads here. So that's it. And here's the main function part. In main function, I first we use a function called current time mouse to give the current timestamp, and also after we run this function, I do another current stamp. So this two timestamp minus is the total runtime of this function run. So that's a basic idea how we to calculate the time and then compare them. So first is that we do the start point of the single thread function. So I do the timestamp, and then timestamp with 2 variable. One is 100, one is 100 times, and we need to 10 letter string. So I define here, and later on is that after we finish, we use we record the current timestamp minus the start point. So here we got that. In our case right now, the minus the result is 4. And here I print out a message to do the separate between single and multiple. So for multiple, we do the same thing, to record the start point for the multiple thread. And then we start 3 threads we define at the beginning of here. And here is the point. We need to have the join function to make sure A, B, and C threads finish. Then we start recording the timestamp. So here is long multi-time equals current timestamp minus multiple start stamp. And then we print out for how long we take to doing the single and how long we take to doing the multiple. And also we catch the exception here. So that's a basic idea for the whole project. We figure out to print out 100 random ATGC Geno, and then to run them by the single thread and multiple thread, and to compare the time difference. Thank you so much for your time.